What's going on, guys? Big Mike, the 717 Outlaw, back with you here today. We're going to be doing a quick range day tech since it's getting to be the closing of most hunting seasons here in Pennsylvania. Most states are doing the same thing as well. So the range day tech that we're going to do is 10 key tools that you need to help maintain, clean, and just take care of your firearm, whether that is a muzzleloader, a shotgun, a rifle, any other version of a long gun, pistol, anything that you have that you want to take care of that is your pride and joy firearm or just your everyday range day tool. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check out these 10 key tools to keep your gun clean and ready to go. Key tool number 1 is a cleaning rod. Now, most cleaning rods come in multi-piece or single-piece applications. Most of the times they are metal, carbon fiber. I've even seen aluminum, things like that. They're usually going to be lighter metals. That way, if it ever comes in contact with the muzzle of the gun, it's not going to damage your firearm. Most as well, the handle is usually free spinning because when you run your patches and your brush, you want that to follow the rifling of the barrel. And also, most of them will be size oriented. This one here is for your standard pistol. This one here is for any size long gun that I actually own, but you can get many different sizes. All right, let's go ahead and check out some more. These bore brushes are going to be caliber specific. This one here is actually for a 12 gauge shotgun. We have this one here, which is for a 22. These here for a 270 or 280. And then this one here you have for about a 30 caliber weapon. This one here is actually the one that I use for my 9mm. Came in a kit from Glock. This is a nylon bristle brush, which is actually good for a quick cleaning. And these ones here are actually made out of brass. Brass is going to be to break down heavy build-up composites. Nylon is typically for just a quick clean, maybe just as a monthly cleaning or servicing of the weapon, but brass takes off most of that heavy buildup. Another part that's going to be typically after you run your bore brush is going to be your slotted patch holder. Now this is going to hold your cleaning patches for any caliber, and again, these do come caliber specific. This one here is for a 12 gauge, this here is for 17, this one here is for a 22. Now what you're going to do is thread your patches through there, and going into another key part for your cleaning kit is going to be a good patch. Most patches are size oriented for the caliber. These ones here are typical size that I use for a 22. And what you're going to do is just go ahead and thread that right through the eyelet, and this is what you're going to run through the patch of your gun. This will follow the rifling of the barrel and help clean all the rifling out and get any built up dirt and grime. When you use these, you're going to want to keep running until the patch is clean and has visibly no dirt on it. There's going to be a bore mop. This is typically made out of cotton. It's going to be what you're going to use to put the last remaining bit of oil down your barrel. Now these, I have used these to do quick cleans on guns. They have gotten dirty. These are many, many years old. But typically what you're going to use this for is to put your gun oil or rust preventative down your barrel and remove any built up moisture or cleaner that's in your barrel. That way it cannot cause rust and it leaves it from any sort of leaking or dripping of excess fluids and cleaning solvents. And again, also caliber specific. You have a 12 gauge, 22, and a 30. Now another tool on your list is going to be cotton swabs. Now you can use your typical store-bought cotton swab, but these nice wooden handled ones, pretty inexpensive, but they make cleaning the very small nooks and crannies of your gun very easy. Also, not necessarily caliber specific, but they do come in different sizes based on how you want to use it. And as you can see, you usually get them in pretty abundant packages. I actually just went to Tractor Supply and picked up probably about 400 cotton swabs in all these different sizes, and it only cost me about $8. Very inexpensive thing to clean the interior and exterior components of your gun, and that's one other cleaning part. Now let's go ahead and check out another key exterior gun cleaning tool. And cleaning the exterior gun is a good double-sided brush. Now most of these come with a very wide head on one side and a very thin head on the other for cleaning very small crevices. Most, like I said too, come in different finishes. This one here is nylon. You have more of a brass, or actually this one might be a stainless. Yeah, this is a stainless bristle, and then you have brass bristles here. Now these are all for cleaning different degrees of grime. Now if you have a lightly soiled gun, go ahead and use your nylon. If you have anything that has stuff that's very hard to come off, heavy carbon buildup, maybe your bronze or stainless head brush is going to be the next one on your list to use. And of course, these are all user dependent. I know in the past I've even used as much as, just for a nylon fine tip, I've just used an everyday toothbrush. Does the same thing, typically a smaller head, stiff bristles, enough to get most dirt and grime off of your weapon. So if you don't want to spend a lot on brushes, you can go ahead and get a toothbrush. It works just the same. Number 8 on the list is going to be a good bore cleaner. Any good CLP cleaner, which is clean, lubricate, and protect. You're going to find a lot of different competitors. Hops number 9 has always been my go-to for me, my grandfather, my cousins, and all of us. Great gun cleaner, but typically you're going to use this to clean most of your grime off of your gun. And then once you're done with this, you're going to go ahead and move on to a gun oil, which will roll into key part number 9, which is a good rust preventative and lubricant. Most gun cleaning solvents will help lubricate your gun as well, but it never hurts to put a rust preventative and lubricant in it. And this one here, another go-to that I've always used is Rem oil. Always seems to work. All my guns operate nice and smooth, no issues, but good solvents and good gun cleaning oil help keep your gun in brand new condition. Also, with using Hops number 9, it never hurts to rub over your stock. If it has a wooden stock, it can keep your finish looking very nice and shiny. And same goes for the gun oil as well. You can also use that to keep everything looking in tip-top shape. All right, last and final tool, and this one here is technically optional, but it is always recommended, and it really helps me out with making sure that all my guns are properly cleaned, especially in inadequate lighting. All right, guys, let's check out tool number 10 and wrap up this list. All right, guys, now wrapping up the list, of course, is a good flashlight. Now, typically what you're going to do with most of these flashlights, these will help you look over and see if you've missed any spots internally in your firearm, and also if you have a nice, simple, there we go, LED light, you can check the bore of your gun, check for any scoring that is in the rifling, and also check for any other deposits or dirt that might be down your barrel. Now, I hope all of these key features here have helped you guys with putting together a proper cleaning toolkit. Another one too, this might be a step 11 that also makes it nice, just so you don't damage anything if you're working on a hard countertop like this, is a good cleaning mat. This one here I only picked up off Amazon for about $7. It's rubberized on the back side, and it has a nice like neoprene padded finish on the front, so all my guns stay unscathed with being moved around, possibly even components being dropped or sat down. Just another little key feature to have. But all right, guys, let's go ahead and wrap this up. Guys, well, we're gonna wrap up this list of 10, technically 11 tips and tools for cleaning your firearm. Now, I am going to be bringing some more videos to you guys soon on breaking down the cleaning processes, or at least the basics for everyday firearms. We're going to be looking at semi-automatic pistols, we're going to be looking at revolvers, bolt action rifles, semi-automatic rifles, breaking down AR-15s and doing a cleaning process on those. Check out a couple shotguns and other smooth bores, and if I get the chance to, we're going to be checking out flintlocks. Flintlocks are a completely different ball game for cleaning, and they really do deserve their own video. But alright guys, as always, I hope you liked the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If this has helped you out, or if you want to know any other tools that I might be able to help you with, because I have an abundance of gun cleaning tools. I actually wanted to go to school for gunsmithing, so I've tried to acquire as many tools as I can to help maintain every firearm that I own. So alright guys, I'll catch you on the next episode. Remember, be safe, shoot straight, have fun. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See you guys.